Hey, how's it going? This is Seth Connell, CTO at Nanu Water Tech here. First off, thank you for your purchase of a 50 gallon a minute nanobubble generator. We have here what you hopefully received, a nice 4-inch by 4-inch by 4-inch box, ready to go. We have a 50 gallon a minute pump here. Yours is 40 to 60 gallons a minute. That should work just fine as long as it's over 20 PSI. That's the primary thing that we want to be sure of. Here we also have Teflon tape. Always important to wrap your threads before you put anything together. Want everything to be watertight. So without further ado, just quick little install guidance. Cut off your label here, open your unit. You're going to find a QR code right there on the top of the box. So you can scan that and that'll take you to detailed instructions, FAQs, etc. And then we'll open this up, take our recycled packaging out of there, unwrap your unit, and then there we go, right here. So once your threads are wrapped with Teflon tape, go ahead and screw on to your unit. And we also have our downspout here, so we'll thread onto that as well. And then we like to use unions in-house so we can just swap everything out pretty easily. So we have our union attached here. We'll go ahead and line that up, thread that on till that's nice and tight. And if you have compressed air or oxygen source you want to use, you can use your tubing and basically attach that to the air barb here. Otherwise, that barb can't suck in ambient air that will create air nanobubbles. Oxygen nanobubbles will obviously give you better dissolved oxygen, or if you're using ozone for whatever reason for sanitation, that can also work too. So once again, thank you for purchasing a unit. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And look forward to hearing your feedback, and good luck with your bubbling. All right.